Good day sa inyong lahat mga kapsen. May panibago na naman po tayong gagawin sa araw na ito, November 29, 2022. Ang gagawin po natin ngayon ay mag-chaser tayo ng Toyota Vios. Ito po ang ating mga ka-kapsen na papalinis dahil ayan po ang gagamitin natin na filterex sa ating pagkakas. Sulat ko na lang para hindi tayo mahirapan. Bago natin umpisan, shoutout nga pala kay Ma'am Jab na masugid na sumusuporta sa ating channel, kay Sis Dalin, kay Ma'am Mincho, kay Ma'am Pitilisa at kay Ma'am Ella na masugid na sumusuporta sa ating channel, at kay Kuya Darwin Tambayan. Kumusta ka na? Habang ako ay nanonood sa kanya, umilalim na siya para tanggalin ang drain plug ng oil pan na ang size ay 14 ang kailangan gamitin. 14 na socket, mas maganda. Siyempre, kailangan din naman ng power handle dyan para pihitin, at saka filterage para tanggalin na filter na.
Oil change helps to reduce and remove any excess dirt that can build up in your engine from use. Sludges, also a common development in a car. An oil change will completely remove it for a more efficient running engine. Basically, oil changes contribute to the cleanliness of your engine. If you change your oil regularly, your car will have proper lubrication that reduces the amount of heat produced by your engine. Oil changes also get rid of dirt and debris, which makes your engine run. Have you ever wondered why you should change your oil regularly? If you've ever been reprimanded by your mechanic for waiting too long for an oil change, you know this is an essential part of basic car maintenance you can't afford to forget. Waiting too long to change the oil in your car can result. The most important reason for engine oil is lubrication. It keeps all the moving parts protected and prevents them from rubbing against one another. Without oil, metal on metal wear would destroy your engine in a very short time. Engine oil creates an atom-thin layer between moving parts, preventing. The second reason for engine oil to be used in your car is cooling. Most of the cooling needed is supplied by the coolant system, radiator, thermostat, water pump, etc. However, engine oil does provide some supplemental cooling for areas of the engine where coolant cannot reach. Engine oil is also responsible for helping to clean the engine, removing debris like metal finings and other potentially damaging deposits. What is viscosity? Oil viscosity is nothing more than a term used to express oil's ability to lubricate your engine and protect moving parts. Over time and through heat, oil thins and becomes less viscous. This reduces its viscosity and its ability to protect your engine. Thus, the need to change oil. What will happen if I drive without oil? If you were to drive your car with low engine oil, it may do nothing more than result in minor excess wear to internal engine components. It really depends on how low the oil level is. You are generally safe up to about a quart low. However, if you were to drive with no engine oil, the engine would quickly seize up, and you would need to replace the entire engine. Oil filter is a filter designed to remove contaminants from engine oil. Types of oil filters. What are my options? Full flow oil filter. This choice is also known as a primary oil filter, and it's widely used by many car makers. Secondary oil filter, cartridge oil filter, spin-on oil filter, spinner oil filter, magnetic oil filter. How does the oil filter work? The engine's oil pump moves the oil directly to the filter, where it enters from the holes in the perimeter of the base plate. The dirty oil is pushed under pressure through the filter media and back through the central hole, where it re-enters the engine. Is an oil filter important? Your car's oil filter removes waste too. It captures harmful debris, dirt, and and metal fragments in your motor oil to keep your car's engine running smoothly. Without the oil filter, harmful particles can get into your motor oil and damage the engine. Filtering out the dew. Without the oil filter, harmful particles can get into your motor oil and damage the engine. Filtering out the junk means your motor oil stays cleaner longer. Engine lubricant is any one of various substances used for the lubrication of internal combustion engines. They typically consist of base oils enhanced with various additives, particularly anti-wear additives, detergents, dispersants, and, for multi-grade oils, viscosity index improvers. What does 5W30 oil means? Example 5W30. The W stands for winter, whereby 5W is the low temperature viscosity and 30 is the high temperature viscosity at 100 degrees Celsius. The lower the number before the W, the better the oil will flow at low temperatures. What does 10W40 oil mean? 1OW40 is used to describe the oil's thickness. W stands for winter. The number before the W signifies the viscosity of an oil at low temperatures, for example, before you start your engine. There, following the W indicates its viscosity at normal operating temperatures when the engine is running. The first number 5W refers to the oil's viscosity when cold, measured at 40 C100 for test. 5W refers to the oil's viscosity when cold, measured at 40 C100 for depth. Thank you for watching. God bless you all.